Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will see nature of roots of a quadratic equation. Let the given equation be ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation where a not equal to 0, then discriminant is given by d is equal to b square minus 4ac. And the roots of a given equation are alpha is equal to minus b plus root of d by 2a, and beta is given by minus b plus root of d divided by 2a, where d is nothing but your discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. This in detail we have seen in my previous video, so if you want to watch that, there is a link in the description box below, you can check that out. So now if the discriminant value, that is a b square minus 4ac, if it gives 0, that is, if the discriminant value is equal to 0, then the nature of roots is real and equal. That is, if d is 0, your roots alpha is equal to minus b by 2a and your beta is also minus b by 2a, right? That means the roots are equal. So here the each root is equal to minus b by 2a, right? So now if your d value is greater than 0, that means the nature of root is real and unequal. Then the roots are minus b plus or minus square root of d by 2a. That is, alpha is minus b plus root d by 2a and beta is minus b minus root d by 2a. And if your d is less than 0, that is the negative values, there is no real roots. So they don't have any roots, that is none. We'll see this in the problems. So here it says find the nature of roots of a quadratic equation. We have two problems here. First let's see this. We have 5x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. So now this equation is in the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is 5 and b is minus 4 and c is 1. So here they have asked nature of roots, that is you have to see the value of discriminant. We know discriminant is given by d is equal to b square minus 4ac, right? So here b is minus 4, so the whole square minus 4 into a is 5 into c is 1, which is equal to minus 4 the whole square is 4 4s are 16, minus of minus is plus, so plus 16, right? Minus 4 5s are 20, which is equal to minus 4, right? So now this discriminant value is less than 0. That means there is no real roots, right? So if you see in my previous slide, there was a table where d is less than 0. It says no real roots, right? Go back and check the table where it says if discriminant value is less than 0, that means there is no real roots. Now let's see this problem. We have 12x square minus 4 root 15 into x plus 5 equal to 0. Here this equation is also in the standard form, right? So here a is 12, b is minus 4 root 15 and your c is plus 5. So the discriminant is given by b square minus 4ac. So b square, here b is minus 4 into root 15 the whole square minus 4 into a is 12 into c is 5 is equal to minus square is plus, right? So 4 square is 4 4s is 16 into 4 into 5 is 20, 20 into 12 is 240. So 240. 16 into 15 will give you 240 minus 240. So here 240 minus 240 will give you 0. That is your discriminant is equal to 0. Therefore, the nature of the roots are real and equal. Right? Now let's see two more problems based on this. Now let's see this problem. We have, for what value of k are the roots of quadratic equation 3x square plus 2k into x plus 27 equal to 0 real and equal? So here they are asking the value of k if the roots of this equation are real and equal. So let's write this equation. We have 3x square plus 2k into x plus 27 equal to 0. So now this equation is in the standard form, right? Here a is 3, b is 2k, that is the coefficient of x. Here the coefficient of x is 2k and your c is 27. So now we know the discriminant is given by d is equal to b square minus 4ac, right? So your b is 2k, so b square is 2k the whole square minus 4 into a is 3 into c is 27. So here it says the nature of roots of this equation is real and equal. This means the roots are real and equal only when the discriminant value is 0, right? That is d is equal to 0. The nature of roots is real and equal. It is given. So let's take this equation 1. So your equation 1 will be 0 is equal to 2 square, that is 4 into k square, right? Minus 4 3s are 12. 12 into 27 will give you 324, which implies, so now let's bring this minus 324 to the left hand side. That will be plus 324, which is equal to 4k square, right? Which implies 324 by 4 is equal to k square. So 4 ones are, 4 8s are 32, 4 ones are 4, which implies k square is equal to 81. That means k is equal to plus or minus square root of 81, which is nothing but plus or minus square root of 81 is 9, right? 9 9s are 81. So therefore k is equal to plus 9 or minus 9. That means for k is equal to plus 9 or minus 9, the nature of this equation will be real and equal. We will see one more example. Now let's see this. If the roots of the equation c square minus ab into x square minus 2 into a square minus bc into x plus b square minus ac is equal to 0 are real and equal, show that either a is equal to 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So now first let's write this equation. We have c square minus ab into x square minus 2 into a square minus bc into x plus b square minus ac equal to 0. So this equation is in the standard form, right? That is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a is c square minus ab and your b is minus 2 into a square minus bc and your c is a constant term, that is b square minus ac. Here it says the nature of the roots are real and equal. That means your discriminant is equal to 0, right? The nature of roots are real and equal. That is given, right? So we know d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Here d is 0. So d is 0, which is equal to, so b square minus 2 into a square minus bc the whole square minus 4 into a. A is c square minus ab into c here is b square minus ac, right? So we will bring this whole term to the left hand side. So it will be plus 4 into c square minus ab into b square minus ac, which is equal to, here we have minus 2 the whole square. So minus of minus is plus, 2 square is 4 into a square minus bc the whole square, right? So 4 and 4 will get cancelled. So now multiply this. So c square into b square is c square into b square. So plus c square minus ac is minus a c to the power 3, right? So minus into plus is minus, ab into b square is ab cube, right? So minus of minus is plus, ab into ac is a square bc, which is equal to, so here this is of the form a minus b the whole square. So a square, here a square minus 2 into a is a square into b is b into c, right? Plus b square, here b is bc the square. So further we will simplify this. So c square b square minus ac cube minus ab cube plus a square bc is equal to, a square to the power 2 is a power 4 minus 2a square bc plus b square c square, right? So here c square b square will cancel, right? So now we have minus a into c cube minus ab cube, here plus a square bc, and when we bring this to the left hand side plus 2a square bc, it will be plus 3a square bc, right? Which is equal to a power 4. Okay. So now let's bring all these terms to the right hand side. So we are left 0, which is equal to a power 4 plus ac cube plus ab cube minus 3a square bc, right? So 0 is equal to, a is common, so we are left with a cube plus c cube plus b cube minus 3abc, right? 1a we have kept it outside, which implies a is equal to 0 or a cube plus c cube plus b cube minus 3abc equal to 0, right? Which implies a cube plus c cube plus b cube is equal to 3abc. Hence the proof. So here they have told us, show that either a is equal to 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc, right? Here a is equal to 0 or a cube plus c cube plus b cube is equal to 3abc, right? So this is it in this video. I hope you understood today's topic. If you did, do hit the like button and share it with your friends. See you soon. Till then, take care. Almighty bless.